Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and my today video is for especially those people who are running out of space on their C drive. So today I'm going to show you how to make space for more softwares and make some free space in your C drive. For that you need to go to storage setting. Just type here storage setting, and when you open storage setting you will see these storage setting. From here you will see these updates. Wait for them to complete. I have only 5 GB free space on my C drive. Let's open temporary files. Here the main problem here is I can see here uh, the total space on temporary file is 38.8 GB. I can delete these files and make this space free. But here is when I'm trying to delete, I can delete only these which are available here, and I'm not able to delete this 34.8 GB updates. So for deleting this, you need to go to File Explorer, then go to C and go to Windows, and in Windows folder, here you need to search for software distribution. Here software distribution, and in the software distribution folder you will see downloads. Now just select them all and delete them. You can delete them with shift delete, or you can send them to recycle bin and then delete them from there. So finally we have deleted all the files from software distribution folder, from download folder in the software distribution directory. Now you see how much space we have in the storage setting. Now we have 36.2 GB free space on drive. Now we have 36.2 GB space on drive C. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe easyedu for more videos.